for him, that is. Derrick Rose a little bit too fast for his own good. Nice contest, but a foul. Out on your own.
Chance now for Paul George to re-enter. Paul George, his first shot is good.
He just kind of threw that one at the rim. One of the things you'll get is a gut cut. Good find.
Paul George
Yeah,
for
that's
three.
a good find. But what happens, that's that zone. What Frank did.
Paul George shot clocked, and his jumper is good. Here's the zone
Oh,
again.
nice. Yeah, that's the zone for sure.
In by 23. They beat the Heat 1. Over, darts in, hangs, fires, scores.
Was trying to relay to his team, the veterans.
That's what you want to do.
Yes!
That's what you want to do.
Hit the glass and the rim at the same time. Running, Jabari Parker. Yes!
It's going to be about that timing and conditioning. Prunty still preaching patience with Jabari.
Rebound and put back 9 points for Parker. Out 1 week.
Leonard fires from the corner. And Leonard goes down again. And he's in pain again in front of the Spurs bench. Athletic trainer for the Spurs checking on him. The crowd. Again, that's what they call Olazor.
And Harrison Barnes, a three-pointer a moment ago. Hopefully Barnes will shoot the ball better in San Antonio after going. Faces him up. Makes a move in the paint.
Post up. That's Aldridge, and now Kawhi Leonard.
Leonard. That's a three off Dallas. Leonard uses a Gasol screen.
You wanted us. You were crying out that you bypassed the harder team in Miami.
Rose came down bad on his left foot. Now, whether it was an ankle or a knee, I do not know.
Yeah, it's before he comes down. It's the plant right there on that left leg.
With Derrick Rose to a certain extent as well.
And Kirk Heinrich had some back spasm. Whether or not Thibodeau and the Bulls run the other way.
Rose with his first touch.
No over.
in front. Kobe goes one-on-one down the lane. Great pass to Powell. Score. Two-man game. Kobe creating some space. Two pump fakes with the left hand and scores. No back. Maybe that was the factor. Rise, fire. Glances off of him. Here's a 3.